Hi everyone, it's Sharon Paley, the religious school director, interim religious school director at Temple Emanuel Religious School, and I'm getting ready to celebrate Shavuot. It starts tonight and we celebrate tomorrow. Traditionally, Jewish people celebrate with cheesecake. So I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, minimal ingredient, no bake lemon cheesecake. To save some time, I already whipped together two of our first ingredients, the mascarpone cheese and the whipping cream. So we're ready to add our secret ingredient, which is the already prepared lemon curd. I'm going to add some salt. And we're going to put in our lemon curd. Okay. Once that is in, we're going to gently fold it over to mix it. And you want to keep folding it over on itself so you keep the nice fluffiness, but until all the streaks are gone. It's already starting to smell really good. I wish you could smell it. So we keep going. Hope this doesn't take too long. I do want to say that I have to shout out to the third grade because the inspiration for this dish was because of the third grade. We had a discussion about Shavuot and they were able to determine why we eat cheesecake on this holiday. Because when the ancient Israelites left Egypt, they were promised to be taken to a land flowing with milk and honey. So milk being the operative word there. This doesn't have any honey in it, but it's certainly going to be sweet. So, okay, I think that looks about good. I'm starting to slop it. So if you start to slop it like me, you're ready to go. All right, another major ingredient here will be our graham crackers. And we're gonna start layering those graham crackers into I already pre-lined mine with cellophane, my loaf pan, and we're ready to go. So we're gonna put in enough of this mixture to add about 1/4 of an inch in the bottom. It's a little hard at first to get that in there, but once it's in and you start adding the graham crackers, it's gonna be much easier. Okay, I'm ready for my first layer of graham crackers. I pre-cut mine because the long ones didn't fit in. So you can either break them or I used a knife. You can see my big stacks over here. So I'm gonna push it down a little bit and then we're ready for our next layer. And like I said, it's much easier spreading this and the layers can get thinner once you have those crackers in there. All right, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna end this video, but I'm gonna keep going and you keep layering, alternating between your cheese mixture and your graham crackers until you reach the top. And when you reach the top, you want your last layer to be the graham crackers. Then I'm gonna fold the cellophane over and throw it in the refrigerator. Overnight works, but make sure it chills for at least 8 hours. So I'll see you in 8 hours and we'll see how it turns out. Happy cooking. Hey, welcome back. We're ready for the big reveal of our cheesecake. So I already took it out of the fridge and I'm gonna wrestle with the cellophane, the plastic wrap. Okay, so my best advice is to open it up and rather than flip it over, do the old put the bottom on the top trick and flip it over this way. Then you can lift this up and we're ready to slowly peel our plastic wrap off. Oh, that looks yummy. Okay, I've got our blueberries all ready for as our garnish. And they kind of just squish in there. So I'm gonna kind of quickly get them on here. while I'm putting blueberries on. If you have not had a chance to check it out, please refer to your email blast from Friday and from Monday. I guess it was Thursday and Monday. But there is a link there that tells you all about the upcoming intercongregational Shavuot observance, Erev Shavuot on Thursday night. Rabbi Dean has a class, as do many of the other rabbis from the other Reform temples. So check it out. You can eat cheesecake while you're learning Torah. All right, it is not on the recipe, but because you're watching this hideous video, you get the experience of my little hack with adding some lemon zest to make it a little more festive looking. Man, I think I need a new zester. Anyway, you get the idea. Okay, so let's try some. And I know this is a really big piece, but that's okay. I made it, so the calories don't count when you do the cooking yourself. I've just flipped it over, but you can see the beautiful layers all the way through. And I'm gonna carefully scoop that up so I can get a bite. Ah, that looks better. Oh yes. Perfect. It's all over my hands too, so I'm gonna wait till the video ends so then I can lick my fingers. Great to talk to all of you. Hope to see you all soon. Stay well, stay safe. Bye.